This is how you can do automated WhatsApp outreach using a Chrome extension. It's absolutely free. So yeah, this is exactly what you need to do. Step number one is obviously have a phone number which you can use for outreach, and I would suggest you to get it registered on WhatsApp Business. If you have like a normal WhatsApp account, like you use the normal WhatsApp app, that's not really good for outreach. Having a WhatsApp Business account lets you message more people, and the chances of you being banned is obviously much less. So you can register for free on WhatsApp Business. Just simply download the WhatsApp Business app on your phone, and you should be pretty much good to go. I'm assuming like almost everyone watching this has done this already. So first thing I wanted to tell you, like, just ensure it's like a number you don't care if it gets banned or not for 2 to 6 hours, because like WhatsApp outreach is not something WhatsApp wants you to do. WhatsApp Business is not designed for WhatsApp outreach, but yeah, you can always do it. Like, there's a bit of a risk involved, and a lot of the times WhatsApp will probably ban you, but you can easily get it unbanned and you can appeal for an unban, and they usually unban you in like 2 to 6 hours. But there's a possibility you might be banned for a couple of hours every single day if you do like a lot of WhatsApp outreach, and I will tell you how you can reduce the chances of you being banned and everything. But ensure it's a number you don't care if it gets banned or not. So either get like an actual physical SIM card, which is maybe your secondary SIM, or maybe you don't care if your main number gets banned. That's totally cool as well. The next thing you can do is you can buy a WhatsApp number from this website. I don't have like an affiliate link. This is just the site which I've used successfully to buy WhatsApp numbers, which actually work. So you can like go over here, go over to pricing, and they have these different plans. Do not buy a USA phone number because USA WhatsApp, it does not allow you to onboard. So yeah, the USA number won't work for WhatsApp number sending. Canada works and the UK works as well. But what I noticed in Canada numbers is after you get like banned 3 to 4 times, they permanently ban you. Whereas in UK, they allow you to keep on getting like unbanned. So the best number for this, I think, will be a UK based number, because the chances of you being unbanned is like pretty high. So you don't actually lose the number. So yeah, you can buy this for like $4 a month. Not an affiliate link, whatever, just buy from here, and then you can log in. And after you log in, you can receive an OTP, and there are like tutorials on this exact website how you can receive like a WhatsApp OTP. So yeah, either get like a new SIM card or use an existing number which you have, which you don't care if it gets banned or not, or like buy a phone number from this freaking website. Like, I'll always suggest you to get like a UK number or a Canadian number, but definitely don't buy a US number, it won't work. After that, you need to ensure that your WhatsApp profile is set up. So whenever you like register for WhatsApp Business, it will ask you to create like a profile picture, and you can just follow the simple tutorial on creating like a profile picture which is set up correctly for outreach in under 60 seconds. What you notice over here is, over here you can come here, like I've actually shared like the exact template over here. So just use this tutorial over here and create a profile picture which you can use for WhatsApp Business. And after that, you'll be asked to enter like the name of the business. Do not enter the name of the company you're working with over here in the profile picture. Please do not, for God's sake, like enter the logo of your company, because no one wants to buy from companies. No one wants to respond to companies because they know you're there just to sell them something. And humans like buying from humans. Humans like speaking from humans. So ensure the profile picture is set up correctly and it's your freaking image, not like the profile picture of like a company or something. And the business name, just keep it as your first name. I won't recommend you to use your actual business name. And in the business category, like don't select like social media agency, whatever. Just select other business. Like, that's the best one which I found. So yeah, these are some basic simple instructions. After that, you will be tempted to add a lot of things like your website. Like, WhatsApp Business has a lot of features you can add, like what are your opening hours, you can connect your Instagram account, your Facebook account, you can add your email, you can add like a lot of different shit. Do not add any of it, because normal freaking humans being, they don't add like their website or the email addresses on WhatsApp, and we want to appear as much human as possible. We don't want to appear like a fucking corporate robot. So do not add any of this crap. Just ensure you add like a profile picture. The business name is your first name, and the business category is other business. Once you've done that, you simply go over to this website, like this Chrome store website, and you simply download an extension for sending WhatsApp messages. You come over here and you click on add to Chrome. Do it on like Google Chrome. I think it's the best fucking browser for doing this. Yeah, just download it, and once it has been downloaded, it will appear like an extension over here. You can see it will be called Pro Sender. So yeah, Pro Sender bulk WhatsApp sender. So it actually opens up WhatsApp whenever you try to do anything. But yeah, just use the like just freaking download it. Now before you're sending out the messages, you actually need to keep in mind some things so that you don't actually get banned and the chances of you being banned are reduced significantly. First thing is if you're using a foreign number to send messages, like I know the English is wrong over here, but yeah, like let's say you're based in India and you're using like a UK number to send out messages, or like you belong to any country and you're not using your own country's number to send out messages, you need to use a VPN and connect it to the country where the number belongs to. So, for example, if you're using like a Canadian number, use a VPN and connect it to Canada. And like if you're using a UK number, use a VPN and connect it to London or something. So, please use a VPN because it's very odd. WhatsApp detects it pretty freaking fast, and you might be in for a lot of troubles. Like, you will get banned much more compared to you just using it with a VPN, because obviously it's kind of weird, right? Like, I have a number in India and I'm sending messages. Like, let's say I have a number in the UK and I'm sending messages from like 1,000 miles away from the UK. It's kind of sketchy, right? And that too, a lot of messages, like bulk messaging. So yeah, please use a freaking VPN, connect it to the country where the number belongs to. Like, not where you live, where the phone number where you're sending from belongs to. So if it's a Canadian number, connect to Canada. If it's like a UK number, connect to UK. If it's like a UAE number, connect to the UK. Use a freaking VPN and ensure that you're using the VPN both on your phone and WhatsApp. Like the phone where the WhatsApp is connected and on the PC as well. So yeah, use the VPN to connect to the same country where the number belongs to. So let's say for hypothetical example, I'm using a UK based number. Download a VPN, like connect it to London on both your mobile phone where you have registered on WhatsApp, like the mobile phone where the WhatsApp business app is where you have connected and registered your number, and also your computer. Like yeah, both of them need to be on the VPN because this would significantly reduce the chances of you being banned. And like yeah, try to ensure like the IP address on both the devices is the same as well. So IP address is basically like, you can Google it, ask ChatGPT to explain it to you. What I basically mean is it's like an address, like an internet address. So like let's say I wanted to go and have like a burger or something, I need to know the address, right? And Google Maps or like the country world, whatever, it will give you like an address. So I'm complicating it. Basically, just go to this website on both your mobile phone and your computer. After like yeah, just go to this freaking website after after connecting the VPN, and ensure like the IP address over here, this thing is the same as what you see on both your mobile and your computer. Do this after connecting to a VPN, and over here the location where you're located, it should be visible. So for example, I'm in Thailand right now, so that's why it's saying Thailand. But over here you'll get like the region or the city where exactly you're located. So just go over here and ensure the IP address on both your phone and your like PC is the same. If you're getting like different IP addresses, three things which you can do, like actually two things, is ensure like different VPN providers will provide you different servers. So even if you're connected to London on the VPN on both the devices, there might be different servers in London. So ensure that the server you're connected to in London is also the same. And number two, just ensure you're connected to the same internet provider. So for example, you're connected to like you using the Wi-Fi in your house for connecting to like for in your computer. Ensure that you're using the Wi-Fi on your phone as well, because if you're using your mobile data on your phone and you're using your Wi-Fi on your computer, I think the internet password is different. Like I'm not sure, I'm not an IP address expert, sorry, but yeah, just try to use the same exact internet provider. So if you're using a Wi-Fi, use Wi-Fi on both the devices. If you're using mobile hotspot, use mobile hotspot and mobile data on both the devices. It should not be like you're using Wi-Fi on one device and like mobile data on another device. So yeah, just ensure like the IP address is the same. You can use this website to find your IP address. I've linked a couple of free VPNs which you can use and try out. And yeah, if I find more, I'll just keep on adding them. These are free. You can get like a paid VPN as well. One thing I wanted to tell you is like if you're using a number of your country, so like let's say you live in the UK and you're using like a UK number, then you don't need to do all of this stuff. You just need to ensure both your PC and your phone where you have downloaded the WhatsApp business app and you've registered your number, they're on the same internet. Like again, like they're on the same Wi-Fi or on the same mobile data. Like the internet provider has to be the same. And yeah, just ensure like the IP address is the same. And one thing you can do is to keep them close. So for example, like let's say you have to go to a shop which is like 5 kilometers away from your house or like a kilometer away from your house, if you're sending messages from your laptop which is kept inside your room in your house, and then you go to that shop and your phone is there with you, like the phone where the actual WhatsApp business app is, WhatsApp will see the phone is in this IP address and the laptop which is sending out the messages is over here. And obviously that's not human. Like if a human being is over here, how can he be sending messages from here? And that too like a lot of bulk messaging, whatever. So just ensure like the devices are kept close, like within a radius of 10 to 15 meters. And yeah, just keep that close, ensure they're close, and they're using the same exact internet. So these are some things which will like drastically reduce the chances of you being banned. Once you've done that, you have to connect your WhatsApp on WhatsApp web. Basically, like you have to connect your WhatsApp app, your WhatsApp business app onto the WhatsApp internet version, like the web version of WhatsApp, so that we can actually send out the messages from the computer. What you need to do is simply go onto this website and like this website on Chrome, and yeah, then you can connect your WhatsApp. I'm already connected, and I don't want to open up, like I'll open it up in Edge. So if you're not connected on WhatsApp app and you open the website, like this is what it would look like. And over here, we need to connect our WhatsApp number. So if you want to connect your WhatsApp number, like just follow this tutorial. It's not very difficult. So it will tell you how to connect WhatsApp both on Android and both on iPhone. It's not really complicated. You should not have any issues with this. So just scan the QR code over here on your phone, following the tutorial I just shared with you. Like go to this link, read the tutorial, and after that you should be good to go. Once you've done that, you simply need to open up the Chrome extension, and over here, like just hypothetically assume like WhatsApp has been logged in, and yeah, you open the Chrome extension. So yeah, I'll just open this up. You need to click on the Chrome extension over here. So it's not very difficult to operate. It's pretty simple and straightforward. I'll just open it up again. So yeah, you have to do the exact same thing on like Chrome, by the way. So actually I'll just open it up. Yeah, you can open it over here, the extension. Like why is it minimizing my windows, man? Like yeah, you just click on next. I'll actually hide my charts. And yeah, once you've opened up WhatsApp business, then you can come over here again. Just click on this once more. Like why the frick is this minimizing it every time, bro? Like this is freaking annoying. It never happened earlier. Wow. So anyways, so we'll just roll ahead with it. Like I don't really care. Over here, you need to simply paste like the phone numbers which you want to send out the messages to with the country code. So you need to use this exact format plus country code phone number. So you actually like, let's say you're sending messages, like you're sending messages to the US. If you enter just the phone number, it won't send. You need to add the plus sign as well and the one sign as well, because the country code of the US is like +1 and then the phone number is there. So you need to ensure that the country code and the plus sign is present as well. So I'll just show you what I mean. So I'll just open up Google Sheets with some freaking leads. So I'll just briefly show you. I scrape some leads, and you can get leads from any place. It's really not a big problem, but you need to ensure like the country code and the plus sign of the country is present as well. So I just scrape some leads, like it should be, yeah. So I scrape some leads of travel agencies in London. So I can download this and I'll open it up in Google Sheets. Yeah, I think this is the one we just downloaded. Travel agencies over here. Yep. So you can see over here, there's this plus sign, and then there's the +44, like this 44 thing, which is the country code of the UK, and then the actual phone number. So that's the format in which the number should be. And yeah, undo. So yeah, you just need to have like a list of phone numbers you want to send out the messages to in this exact format, and then you can paste the phone numbers either separated by a comma or a line break. So when you're pasting the phone numbers over here in this extension, you either have to add like a comma between them. So one thing I can do is like, let's say I copy this exact phone number and then the second phone number. Yeah. So if I paste both of them, like the extension cannot know like these are two separate numbers. It will think like both of these numbers, even they are two different numbers, they're the same. So yeah, it's not doing anything. That's what I'm saying. So either you need to add like a comma between these two numbers. so that you can tell the extension like, yeah, these are different numbers. Or you need to add like a line break between them. Where's the freaking extension, man? Row sender, boom. So yeah, either you add like a comma or you can add a line break. So like let's say I copy this exact number, I remove the comma and I copy this. Before pressing enter, like I'll just open up the extension. So yeah, you can paste all the numbers and then you can simply like click on shift and enter. Oh no, actually I need to add a line break before that only. So wait, how do I freaking explain it to someone? Yeah, wait. Where's, I'll just paste it in Google Docs to explain what I'm trying to say. I'll tell you an easier way which is not as complicated as this. So yeah, so let's say there are two numbers which you want to add and there's a line break between them. A line break is basically you press enter so that there's a, like it's starting from a new line. You can either do this and you can either separate the phone numbers you want to add with the comma or with the line break. You can paste them and press enter and now both of them will be added as well. So that's what you can do. And the best way I think is just open the spreadsheet in Google Sheets and paste the numbers. And I'll always suggest you to copy in batches of 50. That's the best thing. So find 50 numbers at a time and just copy like 50 different numbers who you want to send messages to and just select all of them in Google Sheets. Click on Command C, which is copy, Control C if you're on Windows, and just open this up and this thing and just click on paste and press enter. After that, now you might see a lot of these numbers are in red and it's in invalid format. That's because we selected the wrong country code over here. So what I'll suggest you to do is where it says like this thing, this number, like the plus country code, you can just simply select like multiple countries and then you can see it's green. So now it means we can actually like send out the messages to these different people. And yeah, that's all you have to do. After that, over here, you can enter like the exact message you want to send out to the people. So you can just type out the message, hi, like literally whatever you want to send out. You can add like attachments as well. I'll just say like send like normal freaking messages, don't send like images, attachments. And yeah, once you've entered the message, you need to come over here where it has like this tick thing where it says like I add time gap between messages, which will basically ensure like there is a gap between the messages being sent out so that you appear much more human and you are not appearing like a bot which is sending out like 100 messages in like 2 seconds. And over here, the best time gap I found is 40 seconds. And yeah, you can enter like 40 over here. And yeah, that's the best one which I found in terms of like there is actually enough time that WhatsApp does not think you're an actual robot and you're not adding like a 20-minute delay so that very few messages are going out. If you're getting banned a lot, you can obviously increase it 60 seconds, 120 seconds, whatever you want to do. And after that, where it says like add batching, click on the tick button as well where it says send in batches of, enter 20 over here, and where it says like add a time gap between batches, like just type 100 over here. So what this will do is it will send out like 20 messages and there is going to be like a 40-second gap between the messages, and then it is going to wait for 100 seconds, then it is going to start sending out messages again. And these are just some settings which I found which reduce the chances of you being freaking mad. So you can do that and then you can click on send, it will automatically send out. Just keep the tab open, the browser window, and you should be good to go. And this is what it will appear like. So if the message does not exist on WhatsApp, you'll get this error. You don't have to do anything. Just let it continue to work, continue to happen. And yeah, just give it some time. After some time, you can see like the messages will start sending out. And that's all you had to do to use like the Chrome extension to send out automated messages on WhatsApp. This is actually my personal WhatsApp number, so I'm not going to be sending out messages. And once you've like sent out the messages to all the different freaking people, yeah, once you sent out the messages to all the people, let's say these 50 messages have been sent out, you can just copy like more numbers, like 50 more numbers, and then you can open up the extension again, like this WhatsApp one, Pro Sender, and then you can click on the delete thing so that all the previous numbers which you have already sent the messages to are deleted, and you can just paste the new numbers. And again, like after you sent out the message to them, delete them and like copy new numbers from Google Sheets, and after that you should be good to go. Like let's say I've sent out to them as well, I'll just copy new numbers and then I'll just simply paste it over here, and you can like change the message. You can like literally send out any message which you want to send out, and that's how you send out messages. using WhatsApp unofficially, and it's absolutely free to do. So one thing is, you might be like, Somil, how do I personalize the messages, like using their first name, whatever? Tutorial on that will be like, I'll just post a comment with the link to the tutorial for the same. It's actually pretty simple, but I did not want to make this a very lengthy process. Like, I did not want to confuse you. So if you want a tutorial on it, just leave a comment below, and I'll just post like the link of the tutorial in the comments, so you can just check it out from here. And last but not the least is, you might get banned doing this, but if you get banned, it's not very complicated. You will see, like, when you open your WhatsApp business app, it's going to tell you like your WhatsApp account has been banned, and then there will be a button which says like request a review. You can simply click on request a review, and where it says like, it will ask you for more details, whatever. Like, once you click on request a review, there's going to be an optional button where you can add more information, add more details about whatever you were doing, whatever. So either you can leave it blank, or you can write, I just got banned for no reason when I was just texting my customers, and ban me ASAP. Like, what I mean is, WhatsApp account ban. I'll just try to like quickly show you a video which shows like, yeah, if your WhatsApp gets banned, this is a tutorial by WhatsApp only. So this is what it would appear, and you have this button called request a review. You can click on this request a review button, and after that, after you clicked on request a review, there's this field. So either you can leave it blank, like leaving it blank works as well, but I think it's like an assumption of mine, like maybe it's a placebo effect, whatever, that whenever I write this exact line, then like I just copy this exact line and I paste it in this box over here, and then I click on submit. I just notice that my accounts have been getting unbanned faster. So if you get banned, just click on request a review and just either click directly on submit, or optionally you can paste this exact text. I just got banned for no reason when I was just texting my customers and ban me ASAP. Like, you can paste this exact text and put it in this box over here, and then click on submit. So it might lead to faster unbans. I don't have like any solid concrete data behind it, so you can either leave it blank. I just write this exact thing, and I feel my accounts get unbanned faster. If you have any questions related to this, you face any problem, just drop a comment below this, and I'll be more than happy to help you out. If you're watching this on YouTube, the link to the post will be there in the pinned comment, so you can go over there and you can drop your queries below this post. I'll answer them. Bye man, take care.